so that Bodoland should not be like behind in case of knowledge, in case of green city, or in case of green environment, and in case of sustaining or holding or maintaining peaceful environment.
This is Zonmoni Basumotari, professor in the Department of Political Science, Bodoland University, most energetic, dynamic young professor.
Hello to everyone, and thank you so much, Ajit Boro sir, principal of B.Ed College Kosaigaon, for giving me this wonderful opportunity to be share something about Knowledge Festival of 2023 in your YouTube channel. So I would say that this is my first hand experiment to speak on YouTube channel. So I was little hesitating, but then also sir has insisted me to speak something. So here I'm to speak about what is Knowledge Festival actually, what their objective is to conduct a Knowledge Festival, and who are going to come or participate in the Knowledge Festival, and why we should attend this Knowledge Festival. So with the strong initiative of the BTR government, with the partnership with Bodoland University, they have taken an initiative, a noble initiative, to organize a Knowledge Festival from 27th of Feb 2023 to 2nd March of 2023, with more than 10 partner institutions, more than 10 agency institutions. They are going to collaborate, and this is going to be a very grand event in case of exposing or in case of accelerating knowledge or sharing knowledge, exposure of knowledge. So the objective of this Knowledge Festival is to peaceful and green and smart Bodoland, so that Bodoland should not be like behind in case of knowledge, in case of green city, or in case of green environment, and in case of sustaining or holding or maintaining peaceful environment for the student and as well as for the society. We are inviting all the student friends, all the knowledge lover people, all the educated section of the society, all the commoners, those who are interested to be part of this Knowledge Festival. We are inviting all of you in this Knowledge Festival. So we have some of the interesting topics, themes, which we are going to address in this Knowledge Festival. Is this science and technology, livelihood, indigenous knowledge system, gender empowerment, child rights and protection, peace building, good governance, communication and media, behavior change, human rights, sustainable agriculture, climate justice and action, quality education, health and well-being, art and culture, youth entrepreneurship, intellectual property rights, trade, commerce, and investment, BTR in the light of Act's policy. Who are the attraction of the event? Who is going to be present in this Knowledge Festival? Most interestingly, we are having a privilege to have which is already confirmed speaker of this Knowledge Festival, is that Professor Muhammad Yunus, Nobel laureate, founder, Grameen Bank, Bangladesh. Again, we will have Patricia Mukim, Padma Shri awardee, journalist, writer, social activist, and editor of the Ceylon Times. Again, we will have Jadov Payeng, Padma Shri awardee, environmental activist, Forest Man of India, who is known as a Forest Man of India. Yes, and then Rupa Chinai, journalist, author of Understanding India's Northeast, a reporter's journal. So these are the galaxies of, along with that we have galaxies of intellectuals, social scientists that they are going to participate in this Knowledge Festival. The BTR government has taken a very strong initiative to organize this Knowledge Festival for the first time, and it is kind of a rarest program that ever happened in this region. So from this message, I would like to invite from this channel, from Ajit sir channel. So I would like to invite all the student friends, all the commoners, all the knowledge lover, intellectuals of the region and across the region to participate. Come and participate, and let us be a sharer of knowledge, and let us be a harbinger of knowledge. Thank you.
We must be thankful to Sri Pramod Boro, Honorable CM BTR government, for taking this initiative, and Bodoland University. It is really a fantastic opportunity and will be useful for the students, not only for the students but for the teachers and for all. And from my side, I will be deputing my students and my teachers to the Bodoland University for taking active part in the said event. And I do hope that all students from all parts of not only Bodoland but from Assam and from India will take part. We must have understanding that gathering knowledge is an unending process. Education is an unending process. Our enthusiasm to take part in different events, in different organizations, conference, in different workshops, in different seminars will help us to gather more and more knowledge, more and more experiences. I do request people not to say, I don't have time,
Yes.
I am not interested.